Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to see HTML headings and HTML paragraph. HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on your web page. Just think of newspaper. Let's have this sample of newspaper here. This is heading for this newspaper Newport. So you can see this is like H1 HTML heading, and these are this column could be like H3, this could be like H2 according to their size. This also could be like a H3. So heading really matters. They are very important in our web designing. Normally they are like headlines, as you can see, like in this newspaper. They could be also the chapter titles in the book. They matters how they help organize your content, so both readers or search engines can quickly understand what a page is about. The number actual of these heading tags indicates the importance and the size of heading. We have H1 and up to H6. Let's jump in our coding editor. We have a look of this size of HTML headings. Let's have H1. We close the tag. Automatically the end tag also it comes. We say this is HTML heading. We can have a look by pressing this, then you go to open with live server, or you can click under here and go live. Unfortunately, I don't know why it is not quite working, but let's see a bit again. It's not, but I understand the reason. I don't need to do any other thing, and just to do like this is minimize. This is the other CSS, just helps us to have nice look. We go live again. Yeah, here it is. That's it, and we close this. Let's try to minimize again. Be this, yeah. This one. So you can see here on this side that it is appearing in this left side here. Here. Actually, it is very important to use HTML, heading in our web pages, because it is not only it helps us our content and even this kind of designing. So say this content on this web page, it means this. Once you read a heading, you can just try to understand what is in the content because it talks about the content. So here we have different headings according to their size. As I'm still speaking on this, we normally use heading 1, and it is recommended that use only heading 1. Then for other subtitle, we can use heading 2. Let's say this is heading maybe H2, or let's add this, that is H1. I want this to, yeah, to be like that. This is nice. Yeah. Then H3, also subtitle. We can use this. Apart from H1, those other headings 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can just use them as subtitles. Let's see, this is, heading 3. This is heading 4. They are actually 5, sorry, 6. Heading, we are on 5 now. This is heading 5, 6, yeah, 5. And lastly, we have heading 6. That is the smallest heading we use. This is heading 6. Yeah. H1, we take it as main title of the page. You should generally only have 1 per page. That's what I said above. That is recommended to use 1. Because search engine can find quickly and understand what this page means, what this page is all about. Then that is heading 1. Then the heading 2, it's major section or major chapters. Those other chapters can use heading 3 as subsections or subtopics. Yeah, that's the really important and the role of heading 1 to HTML. Now let's jump on paragraph. The paragraph HTML paragraph is one of the most fundamental element you will use. It is normally used to define a block of text, separating it from other content to make your page readable. If we grab back this, you can see that this is a paragraph. This on second column, paragraph. This is also, you can see how important is the paragraph in our HTML, in our document, on web page, and our whatever, as long as it's the things that the content you, depending on how you want, but normally it is I don't think no one can just design something or website or in book or any other document without paragraph. It is it is used like by default, so it's very important. So that's it. Now we can use this paragraph, and we normally can say this is my my website paragraph. You can also make a new line by using a paragraph. Let's have this. You see that this paragraph we have written on this line, even though again we type now, we add another paragraph. Here my mistake. When we say, let's close this quickly. We say that this is the second paragraph. You can see here on this side. Let me just do this. You can see in this side, this on the browser, it doesn't align them on the same line. It creates a new line. So paragraph, if it means, or it does what it means. That's it. So now we are getting on our end of this lesson of today, which is element, HTML, heading, and HTML paragraph. We are going to do our project, and I promise you that whenever we learn and whatever we do, we learn, we are going to be having at the end a small project until we shall design something big, and we'll be designing using all HTML elements will be covered or will be learned. That's it. So guys, let's now jump in. Let's jump in on what we are going to design. We look what's this, look how to make it. Yeah. Now we are going to rub off this. We are going to have a small document with first heading or heading 1, second heading 1 as main title, then heading 2 as subtitle, then we include the paragraph. We do something at least small. So let's go. Let's just type H1. Let's type like the web development. Web development is yes, corner. Let's try minimize it. It's fine. Then we have H2. We say that quick start guide, maybe essential HTML tags. Then we move to our paragraph. We can type. This is the importance of using the coding editor like VS Code. It can help you just to save time instead of typing everything. You can just type something small, or you just pop-ups generate very quickly. You can use the other way of getting words by using Lorem. Maybe it's Lorem 20, then hit tab. Can you see this? Yeah. This again, since you see that this line of words included is very long, we come here and creating editor VS Code, click on view, then we go on word wrap. Be able to see everything we are typing, so it size it. Then here again, do you remember HTML, though it's like bone skeleton, but you can design something small according to your wish. Then let's use maybe HR, that is horizontal line, like this. It looks nice, by the way. And again, we can continue saying H2, maybe paragraph. This is paragraphs. Paragraphs. And let's use this short one. Headings. Sorry. Headings. Can say maybe why they matter. Why they matter. Yeah, I don't know why it's not doing it automatically, but it's okay. Then we can use also here use H3. Say maybe structure. Says structuring content. Maybe with paragraph. That is this one, H3. Then down again, you can use a paragraph tag. Oh no, let's just use paragraph. Again, go have some where I'm like use like 15 words. You can see. Yeah. Then again, I can use let's have again like maybe H3 as subheading. We say the power of the paragraph here. Then we end this project of ours today with paragraph. Maybe you're using that Lorem with maybe 20 seconds there or some matters. Yeah, that's it. And again, maybe we can say, oh, this is project. You can maybe can use horizontal line, and they say maybe let's say just like we type like this, copyright, maybe 2026. Apply the HTML. 2026. That's it. Then let's see how it looks. Look, look, look. I hope guys you are seeing this is amazing. HTML element. You can see it looks good, guys. That's why I told you that I like learning when something looks good. Only remember, it is a HTML lesson, but at least we have we have used like on these 3 lines of CSS because we don't want to learn something looks bad. One learn something looks good, guys. That is the our end of lesson. So this is the project 3, the day 3 of the project we have done. Okay, we have used H1 headings, H2 as subheading. This is a paragraph. This line is HR tag, which is horizontal, right? Then this is paragraph. This is heading 2, sorry, 3. Like then this paragraph, then we have used again this. We have done this as a paragraph to make our copyright. So guys, thank you very much. This is what we have there. Let's meet again on next lesson. Thank you very much. You are amazing.